Hi friends. So have you ever felt yourself that because of the words, because of the choice of the words which we have, we feel that our communication isn't very powerful? I will give you one example now. There is one person who says, "Yesterday match was very good. Kohli played very well, but the umpiring was very bad." And now I am going to upgrade it with the new words. Yesterday's match was absolutely thrilling. Kohli played exceptionally well, but the umpiring was terrible. So you can see the differences of the words he is choosing. Like that, I have added few words in my own dictionary. Instead of good, we will use great, superb, excellent, and wonderful. One example I will give you. For great, we can use that was a great movie. For superb, we can use the biryani at the place is superb. Excellent, he gave me an excellent presentation. Wonderful, we had a wonderful time at the wedding. For bad, we can use awful. The Delhi traffic was awful. Terrible, I had a terrible headache yesterday. And then for horrible, the movie story was horrible. For poor, we can use this is a synonyms of bad. The poor, he has a poor communication skills. For nice, we can use four different words: pleasant, lovely, delightful, and charming. And it's for pleasant, it is a pleasant evening today. Lovely, she has a lovely smile. Delightful, the dessert was delightful. Charming, he is a very charming person. For very, instead of using very from now onwards, we can use extremely. The exam was extremely difficult. And we can use incredibly, she's incredibly talented. We can use absolutely, the party was absolutely amazing. We can use remarkably instead of very. We can say he recovered remarkably fast. So these are the sentences which we can use in our daily life. Instead of using these four sentences, instead of saying the weather is very bad, we can say the weather is very awful. We can say the weather is awful. So these are the small small tweaks which we can do to improve our communication power. So whatever we are trying to communicate, it will give a clarity of speech, and also the choice of words will become more nice. So we can use this word nice also and change it somewhere else, but this will do in the third video. So thank you for watching. This is take 2 of day 2.